Hello everyone, my name is Sagar and I hope you are doing well. In this video, we'll see how we can use Trace Parser. So we'll see particularly how we can, create a trace, how we can, analyze it, blah, blah, everything. Okay. So the first thing is that you need to have your Trace Parser needs to be installed inside your VM. So this is what you need to already have. Okay. And the second thing is that we'll assume a scenario. This is going to be MB-500 lab 1. So, well, particularly, we are going to see a particular scenario. So, for example, I will open my all sales order form to accounts receivable, all sales order, and I will basically will be taking the trace of my reservation. So here I will open the sales order. So when you have slowness into your system at that time, you can, take the trace of that particular process and then can later on analyze and see if there is any possibility to optimize the code. Okay, so what I will do, I will simply will take the trace of this reservation here. But before that, I will need to start my trace. So I will click on this. I'll select the trace option and to give a name to my trace. So I can say this as my reservation, or I can say simply MB-500 trace. And here let me make M capital, and I will select this include SQL parameter. So as soon as you will start the trace, you will need to start your process. Okay, so I've clicked on that particular button. Now I will stop my trace, and then now I can download my trace. Okay, my trace is downloaded now. So what I can do, I can now go and I can open my this Trace Parser application. And here I will simply import the trace. So I can go to my downloads and here is my trace. So my trace is of small size, but usually like you should trace, trace as small as possible, else it becomes hard to analyze. So I will simply say open. Now if your process is too long, so it will take good amount of time to get it loaded. Okay, and the first thing is that you need to select your grouping here. So this one is my correct session. So now everything that I will say, this will be related with this user only. Okay, and here further I can go to my call tree and let me maximize it. So you need to see this red mark. It is that process which took the large amount of time. So you will need to analyze it where actually it is going. So I clicked on that particular button, right? So then this particular, init method, like your invent on hand reserve form init method is talking good amount of time. So again, you can even see the code as well, and then you can see if there is any possibility to optimize it. Again, if you will keep, moving to you will simply need to see it here, okay? And also see the inclusive and exclusive time as well. How many database call was made. Again, like what time our database took to respond, and note that all these times will be displayed in milliseconds. And you can apply the sorting here, and further here you can see your main X++ code as well, and further this is also important, okay, SQL one. Okay, and here what you can do, you can even filter as well. So for example, you see that invent search for reservation. Okay, let me select this show tables. Remove the filter. I'll go to my call tree again. Okay, so I can search for my table event trans. So this will show me everything related to that particular table, the query, where all it is being used. And further, when you are here, you can jump to your call tree to pinpoint the exact code. From here, you can usually see all your code, and from your SQL, you can analyze your query, how it is behaving. So this is the query, you can analyze it. So this is how you can leverage your trace parser and how you can analyze your code and accordingly how you can optimize it. Thank you for watching this video.